And welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's stitch is called the Parquet stitch. It's a very simple stitch with shell stitches. So the 3 double crochet shell stitches. This is how the back of it looks. This is worked in rows. You can also work it in a round. For this stitch, you will require a foundation chain with a multiple of 3. So grab your hook and your yarn and let's learn how to make this stitch. While you are here, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. This channel is updated weekly with regular patterns and free tutorials. This is my only platform. I do not have any other channel or Facebook or TikTok or Etsy, none of them. So this is the only place you'll ever find my recordings. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share, but most importantly, when you make this video, tag me in the video so I can see what you're up to. So I have made here 18 chain stitches. So for row 1, you can see it's a chain stitches and a single crochet. So let's do that. You're going to make 1 single crochet in the 6th chain from your hook. So when you count, it's 2, 4, 6, make your single crochet in there. Chain 2, skip 2, and into your 3rd, make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2, and make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2, and make 1 single crochet. And you will continue to do that until you come to the very end of your chain stitches. When you're at the last three chain, you will again skip 2 and make 1 single crochet in your last stitch. And this is row 1 done. For row 2, please chain 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Turn your work. You're going to make 1 double crochet into the first single crochet of the previous row below your 3 chain space. So right here into the very first one. Then you're going to skip the 2 chain and you're going to make 3 double crochet into your single crochet that you made. For this row, you only work in the single crochets that you made of the previous row. You're going to continue to work 3 double crochet in every single crochet across your row until you get to the very end of your row. So this is my last single crochet. When you started, you went into the 6th chain, which left you with 5 here. You're going to work, you're going to skip 2 chain, and into the 3rd chain, you're going to work 2 double crochets. And this is how row 2 looks. For row 3, chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet in the very first stitch and chain 2. Into the center of your 3 double crochet shell, please make 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Into the center double crochet of your 3 double crochet shell, please make a single crochet. Chain 2 and continue that right across your row until you come to the end of your row. At the end of your row, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the top of your 3 chain that you made. That is row 3. Going on row 4, row 5, you will repeat row 2 and row 3 throughout your work. Don't forget row 2 is chain 3, a double crochet in the same stitch, and your 3 double crochet clusters you will make now in every single crochet across your row. And just keep on repeating row 2 and row 3 throughout your work. And that is the parquet stitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the Queen Phoenix out.